And we very often get asked about fat freezing, how successful these machines are, how much fat they can remove, and realistically what to expect. Currently we've got 3 types of machines. Now they all have the same principle. We place a cup over an area where there's a roll of fat. It has a refrigerator and a suction. It basically sucks the loose skin and fat up into the applicator, and then the side plates of the applicator freeze the fat for about 40 minutes, and that's enough to crystallise the fat and break down the fat cells. So one of the advantages of fat freezing is you are permanently destroying some of the fat cells. Now we're only destroying a relatively small proportion with each treatment, 20 to 25% of the amount of fat that's frozen in that little applicator. But by doing a series of treatments, it produces a very good result.